Hey guys, so today I have got this month's Witch Casket box. This is September's Witch Casket. To the UK, for anyone wondering, it is £27, and to other countries it's obviously more expensive. I think to America it works out about $45 I've heard, but obviously it's going to be different everywhere. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So this one says, September's Witch Casket is all about meditation and mindfulness. We hope the contents of this month's box will help you to take time to rid yourself of stress and anxiety and connect with your inner self. So the first thing right on top that we've got is a Witch Casket sticker. I've never seen one of these in the boxes before, so maybe they're a new little thing that they're sending out in their boxes. Next we have our print. You always get a print, and this is this month's one. It's called Blue Lotus, and it's got a moon and clouds around it as well. It's very cute. Then we have our spell kit. So this one is Anti-Anxiety Charm Bag Kit, which sounds great because I am awful with anxiety, so I will definitely give this one a go. It says it's got lemongrass, fennel seeds, moonstone and charm bag. So let's open it and have a look. So there is a little thing that tells you what to do. There is a big bag of this and this as well. Obviously that's the fennel and lemongrass. Have our little charm bag and a little moonstone here. So that's our kind of spell kit for this month. Next we have a notepad which says, I release myself from, and then it's got like a body with lines on it. There is loads of these, and I guess the point is you're supposed to write your worries, your anxieties, stuff like that on there, and then writing it down will kind of relax you and stuff, I guess. So that's pretty cool. Then we have a cup. So this says, fueled by magic and meditation. It's kind of like a camping mug, like a tin one that you take when you go outside. It's really light and stuff. So that's cute. I might keep it in my car maybe, just in case I ever need it, I don't know. So there is that. Then we have our tea for the month, which is Blue Sapphire Loose Leaf Tea. It says it's black tea from Kenya, and it's got cornflower petals from Albania. So sounds fancy. And along with that we also have a little tea strainer, which is cute. It just says tea infuser. It's like a little love heart, and it unclips like so and then pops back in. So that's cute. Then we have a bracelet in here. I've seen these a few times before. Looks like this. It's very pretty actually. I like it. And this is an essential oil diffusing chakra bracelet. It says, add your chosen essential oil to the black beads to carry its magical properties with you. So if I'm correct, these are some kind of like lava stone, and when you put oils on them it soaks in a little bit so that it kind of carries it around with you, which is very cute. I'm going to put this on now. So we have that. Then we have our pin. You always get a pin, and this month it's this really pretty blue crystal chunk, which is nice. I actually have loads of pins now on like a flag kind of thing, so one day I'll do like a little pin collection and show you all of the pins that I've kind of got over the years from these boxes and stuff. Then next we have this, which is a little random to me, but I mean, I guess it's cool. It's a piece of string, and it says knot magic on it. So it says, as you think of or meditate on what spell you'd like to cast, firmly tie knots in the string as shown over leaf. So long as those knots stay firmly tied, your spell is alive. To break the spell, untie the knots. You can also tie other objects or ribbons into your knots to represent your intent, though this is not essential. Your intent is the most important thing to weave into your knots. So that is what it says on the back. So it says, not 1, the spell's begun, not 2, it will be true, not 3, it shall be, not 4, it is law, not 5, the magic's alive, not 6, the spell is fixed, not 7, chance I'll leaven, not 8 will be its fate, not 9, it's sealed in twine. So that is that anyway. Then we have our stone for the month, which is black obsidian. It looks like this. Obviously it is black. And this says, this beautiful black stone can help you to release negative emotions such as resentment, jealousy, guilt, fear and anger. It's a stone of spiritual harmony. Black obsidian is a powerful psychic cleanser that also works as a shield against negative energy. So that's pretty cool. Then we've got a few things left. I would say this is definitely the biggest box that we've had from them, like item wise. There is loads of stuff in here. So next we have this little roll-on, which is called Don't Worry, Ancient Wisdom Roll-On Blend with bergamot, geranium and frankincense. 100% natural and pure essential oils with vitamin E carrier oil base. Put it on wrists, nape of neck, behind ears or wherever you desire. So I'm assuming because it's called Don't Worry that it's supposed to like calm you down or whatever. I did smell this the other day, and honestly, even though it says that it's like geranium and frankincense and stuff, to me it just smells of orange. It doesn't even say, oh, it does say it's got citrus in it and stuff, but I don't know, it smells really good though. So I will definitely maybe carry that around with me. You could even put that on these beads, I guess, if you wanted to, which is pretty cool. Then we have our incense sticks. Again, you always get incense. Oh, these aren't sticks though, these are cones. And not my favourite smell that we've got. They actually smell very, very weird in the packaging. Kind of like soap, but maybe they smell nice when they're being burned. So these are called Angel's Touch, and there is 12 in here. Then we have our scroll, which we always get every month, which I always every month rip in some kind of way because they put stickers on them and I'm bad at opening it. This one says 5 simple ways to meditate every day. Breathing meditation, dancing meditation, gazing meditation, slow pace meditation and standing meditation. Again, it's really long like usual, so I will hold it up, and if you want to pause it and read it then feel free, but I don't want to bore you all with reading it out in case anyone isn't interested. So there's that. And last but not least, we have this, which is blue ritual candles for meditation, healing, peace, well-being, wisdom, truth, and harmony. I'm assuming these are just 2 big candles, but I'm going to open it anyway just to have a check. This is a lot of tissue paper, you could definitely reuse it. Yeah, so just 2 tapered blue candles. They're actually really pretty. Why does this blue look so nice on camera? Ooh. Okay, this would be a nice eyeshadow colour. So yeah, that was everything in this month's Witch Casket box. I feel like because everything's out of the packages now, it's going to be so hard for me to do like a little overview of what we got, but I'm going to try. So we got the blue candles. I'm going to put these down because they are very big, but blue candles. The black obsidian stone. The roll-on Don't Worry stuff. The Not Magic. The sticker. The book which says I Release Myself From, the Anxiety Charm Bag Kit, the print, the pin, the incense sticks, the tea strainer, the cup, tea, and the scroll. So all of this stuff and the candles, oh, and the bracelet as well that I'm wearing. which I think is actually maybe my favourite item in the box. It's very cute. But yeah, definitely a great box, loads of stuff in here. Like I said, it's £27 to the UK and it's one of my favourites to open personally, so let me know in the comments what you think of Witch Casket, if you think this was a good box, if it's worth it and stuff. And yeah, if you're not already, then please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you soon. Bye guys.